What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Sneaker Talk for a brand spanking new unboxing. And today I am insanely hyped up for this unboxing because I have been looking forward to this collaboration ever since I saw like images of them on Instagram. This is, of course, as you can tell by the title of the video, the brand new Puma and Super Mario collaboration. I'm a huge Super Mario fan. In fact, I'll have proof later on in the video. I gotta give a huge thank you to the homies over at Puma for sending this package over. I know what's in the box, but I'm still just very excited for it. These all come in a special box, and that's one thing I really like when it comes to Puma collaborations. They typically go the extra mile compared to other brands when it comes to the extra thoughtfulness in a design, because when it comes to these like highly collectible releases, it's just like that extra cherry on top, you feel me? So I always appreciate when they do that extra attention to detail on the boxes. So here it is. These are the Clyde Super Mario Sunshines. First of all, the box is dope. It's a purple box, not what we're used to seeing from Puma. Usually it's green. And then on top of that, we got some Super Mario branding right here on the side. And then even on the other side here, you got some more Super Mario branding. We have an official licensed product Nintendo. This is like their seal of approval on Nintendo goods. Like if you had like Nintendo 64 games, you remember that. And of course you have a bunch of images of Mario over the years evolving, not like a Pokemon, but just like evolving, and that's really cool. Open this box up. Haven't seen these in person yet. Damn, dude. Puma, Super Mario, Clyde, the Super Mario Sunshine right here. Let's go. Let's go. It comes with multiple sets of laces. So you have the white laces on the shoe right from the start, and then you also have these golden, like yellow laces to go with these as well. And another added touch is they actually have these metal aglets on the lace tips, and this is the little Super Mario keychain I was talking about earlier. That's pretty dope that they have that. And the water, I'm pretty sure this is the water. It just comes straight from the video game. Really cool. It's really bold. It pops nicely, and it actually would go with today's fit like perfectly. Like this blue hoodie I'm wearing right now. You even have attention to detail on the insoles. It says Super Mario Sunshine like 10 times all over the insole, like a little print. Even the tongue right here got some really nice details, and the side has Puma Clyde in red right there. I can't wait to wear these, man. Actually, do I want to wear these? Because it's such a collectible sneaker. I feel like I'll wear these, but the other pair I'm gonna have to keep on ice for a display piece. All right, next up, before we get to the next pair of shoes, let me show you another some cool stuff. They added some cool stuff, not just sneakers, in this box. So, one, Super Mario 3D All-Stars just released 3 of the greatest Mario games of all time. We got Super Mario 64, Super Mario Sunshine, and then Super Mario Galaxy. All 3 games on one disc. Really good bang for your buck. If you're a Mario fan, this is obviously a must-have if you want to relive that nostalgia on the Nintendo Switch. And some of you guys probably know I have a Nintendo Switch already, but they included a Nintendo Switch. So this is crazy. Thank you so much, Puma and Nintendo, for sending this over. I heard that the newer generations of Nintendo Switch have better battery life, so I might just leave my main Nintendo Switch like in the dock at most times, and then I'll use this one on the go, or I might just give this one away. But for now, hit that right button, subscribe so you guys know what goes down. And if you guys ever want to hang out and play video games with me or just chill, twitch.tv/SneakerTalkCA. I haven't streamed there in a while, but we're gonna get back into it come this holiday season. Thank you, Puma. Thank you, Puma and Nintendo. So as I mentioned earlier, I'm a huge fan of Super Mario, and here is my Nintendo 64 from my childhood with my OG copy of Super Mario 64. This is actually, I believe, my very first video game I owned outside of like Pokemon games, and then my very first console as well. I got this for Christmas when I was a young one. I maybe like 5-6 years old. I grew up with Super Mario. I never ended up beating the game. If you guys are, well, obviously you made it to this far in the video so far. If you're watching, let me know your favorite or your first Super Mario game that you ever played. The next pair is very interesting. I like these more than the Clydes. I like the Clydes, don't get me wrong, but the Super Mario 64 obviously holds a special place, or the Super Mario 64 holds a very special place in my heart. Here is the box, as you can tell, and I think is it slightly different? Yeah, the box is slightly different. So this is the Super Mario 64, right? We got Mario with the wings, but for the Sunshine one, they have him with that thing on it. So if you're a collector of anything Super Mario, this just makes it so much nicer to collect. The box is also very different on this as well. It's not purple, not a purple based box. This time it's like a mixture. So we got orange on the one side here. We got this red and orange on the other. There's like indigo blue on the other side where it says Super Mario 64. We got the Nintendo seal of approval there as well. This is the pair I think I'm gonna have to keep on ice. Keep it on display next to my Nintendo 64. Unless I buy another pair of these, which I might have to, I won't be wearing these except for the on feet, which I'm about to show you guys. Oh man, I'm so hyped for this. Thank you, Puma. Oh, there we go. Get it out of the tissues. Yo! Oh my gosh. I'm just like seeing all these extra details I didn't know about till getting them in hand. Let me grab the other pair. These are so sick. These are so sick. This is the collaboration that I wish happened way earlier, but it finally happened. Here we have it, the Nintendo Super Mario 64 Puma Future Riders. Check it out. We got Super Mario right here, just hanging out, just like the previous pair. A cool keychain, the blue stripes, the red, the gold, signature Mario colors. I really like this. I really like the brick right here. It's just so well executed. And then you have the Mario on the back. Oh, that's cool. I love that. Puma Fast Cat on the other, Mario logo on that side. And then we also have the logo of Mario's like silhouette, his head on the tongue right here. This reminds me of when you play Super Mario 64, you can like pull Mario's eyes and ears and nose before you actually get into the main game. So really cool, man. This is, I love this design. They weren't lazy with this at all. It really shows that they care. The materials on it look really good. The quality control on these look really good. And so even the little wings on the back too, I think you get the wings after you beat the game or like get all 100 stars or something like that. Thank you, Puma. You guys nailed it. And kudos to Nintendo and Mario. The whole team, this whole collaboration was really well done. I think they also did some clothing pieces as well that they're very bold. They're like Super Mario 64. They're really like in your face. If you guys haven't subscribed to my Pokemon channel, we just pulled this, a Charizard reverse holo. So if you guys want to check out my Pokemon channel, check it out. We just hit 200 subscribers. The goal is 1,000 by the end of the year. And we're gonna throw these on feet. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I can't wait to have these on display next to my Nintendo 64 with Super Mario 64 inside. I traded in all my other games to GameStop for like $5 each, or I gave them to my cousins in the Philippines. But yeah, Super Mario 64 is the final game I have in my retro collection. Let me know what you guys think about these if you made it to the end in the comment section down below. Which pair do you guys prefer? Do you prefer the Puma Future Rider or do you prefer the Puma Clyde? I have to go with these right here. Super Mario 64, baby. Catch you guys later. Peace out. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.